It's not you, it's not mom, and it's not Miss Kara, okay? Hi, Lek. May gumagaya sa kanila. Miss Kara, is this you? Sure ba? Miss Kara, totoo po ba, Miss? Good morning po. Kasi merong pumasok dito sa live, Miss Kara. Like, ginagaya si Miss Dawn and is that your main account, Miss Kara? Hi, Hiboran. Thank you. Parang hindi tuloy ako naniniwala, Miss Kara. About sa bagong live date. Hi, Peter. Dewey, hello. Sana one day mag-cross landas natin. Hoping. Hi, Castro. Really ba, Miss Kara? Is this you? Natrauma ako dun sa sa may pumasok kanina. Is that your main account po, Miss Kara? Hi, Prince. I'm sorry it's not you. Okay. Hi, William. Silent. It's not about the level. You know, minsan they copying Miss Kara talaga. So, yeah. So, ang sinasabi mo, boss, si Miss Kara, sorry. So, hindi ako naniniwala. Okay. Hi, Jessa, chill guy. Marco, hello. Hi, New World. Hey, morning, Miss Sweetie. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys? Blah, blah. Hi. Wait, Kuya Starlight, may nagagaya talaga. Oh my gosh. Coco, hello. Jamie. Hi, Ron. Mike, hello. Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh. William. Hi, pag-enjoyer. Well, enjoyer. Pag-enjoyer. How are you guys? Good morning. Wala na lang ako. Medyo hindi lang ako okay sa... Hi, Matthew. Welcome back. Kasi may gumagaya talaga. Hoy, Allen. Wala kaming pinasok na Allen. Tingnan pala someday. Sure, William. Kung maliligawan mo ko. Hi, Rockwell. Hi, Olker. What's that? What's your name? Ingat ka palagi. Yes, thank you. Anong bashers? Hindi ako bashers. Yung name mo talaga. Hi, Mark. Hi, Rize. Hello. Rockwell, thank you, guys. LG! My gosh. Good morning. Wala kami class because the weather is not good. Tingnan mo ID ko para makilala mo ko. Ah, si Bogart! Sira ulo to, ho. Ikaw pala to? Okay lang yan. Uy, meron ako na-encounter bago lang. Like, ginagaya yung family. Na-screenshot ko later. Hi, Sabetra! Huwag kayong mag-up, guys. Ay, huwag ka na mag-up. Diyan ka lang, Bogart. Hi, Fix! Hi po. Good morning. No, you can't po. Diyan ka lang. Baka lumakas yung ulan dito eh. Pag kumanta ka na naman. Ikaw, Bogart, palit ka na. Ako lang ba? Naglolo ko ba yung ano? LG. Like, may gumagaya talaga. Oh my gosh. May gumagaya talaga sa ano. You know, it's... Wait, let me send you, ano. Isend ko yun mamaya kay Kuya Bullet. Yung screenshot. Hi, Pogi yung bagsak. Hello, Yuan. Hi, Bogart. Diyan ka lang. Wala ka bang work, Bogart? Wala kasi kami pasok eh. Medyo hindi maganda yung panahon dito. Hi, James! Nasaan na yung kanta? Anong kanta? Hindi ako kakanta, ikaw yung kakanta. Hindi, merong nagpapanggap like bilang si Miss Kara, si Miss Dawn, like that. Ay, bakit? Anong sakit mo ba? Naglalagata ako, my gosh. Hi, Magu! Hi, Larry! Thank you! Sakit sa utak. Sira ulo ka. Hi, Dices! Maulan pa sa inyo dyan, guys. Hi, Rob. Do your friends in nurse school know about Miko? Yes, they know. Kaya pala di ka naka-reply ng live ko na. Yes. Hi, John. Moxky, hello. Cuddle weather today. Yes, Alexis. Cuddle weather talaga, malala. John.